My name is Paul Michaud, and I'm the CEO of Proceve. Today we're going to talk about how Proceve software allows you to manage and organize teams. So for most projects, typically we're going to have the concept of a team, whether it's a single team for the project or whether there's multiple teams. But typically we're going to have some concept of a team as a group of resources and people working to get the project done. So in most systems, you have essentially one team, maybe many. In Proceve, we allow you to define an unlimited number of teams, and those teams can also have sub-teams. Again, like everything else in Proceve, those can have sub-teams, which have sub-teams, and so on. So whatever the structure you need, we can handle it. You can have an unlimited number of teams on any given project, and you can nest them with as much complexity as you want. Now, in addition to that, teams typically can be associated with an account, but a single team can also be associated with a project. So the team can be global in the account and then reassigned across projects, or a team can be created specifically for a project and only exist in the context of a project. In addition, a single team can be assigned to multiple projects simultaneously with an allocation. The individual people within the team can be allocated differently if you choose, and we support all of that. Most of the time, typically in practice, we're going to see a single team assigned 100% to a single project, but we definitely see cases where a team might need to deal with multiple projects. Certainly, even internally on our side, we have a team and the teams work across projects, and this is common.